Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to improve Quant for bank exams. First, dedicate time to strengthening your basic arithmetic skills, ensuring you can perform calculations quickly and accurately. Next, thoroughly grasp fundamental concepts such as percentages, averages, and profit and loss. These form the bedrock of quantitative aptitude. Finally, consistent daily practice is crucial. Solve a variety of problems to build confidence and identify areas needing more attention. Once you have a strong foundation, focus on understanding different problem-solving techniques. Don't just memorize formulas, comprehend the underlying logic. Try to solve each problem using at least 2 different methods to find the most efficient one. This approach enhances your analytical skills and helps you choose the best strategy during the actual exam. Consistent review of your solutions is also key to solidifying your knowledge. To excel, you must balance speed with accuracy. Practice mental calculations and learn shortcuts for common problem types. This will save valuable seconds. Regularly taking full-length, timed mock tests is essential. Treat them as real exams to get accustomed to the pressure and time constraints. After each test, meticulously analyze your performance. Pinpoint specific topics where you struggle and dedicate extra practice to those areas. For advanced preparation, delve into complex data interpretation sets and challenging word problems. These often carry significant weight in bank exams. Keep an error log where you note down every mistake, understand why it happened, and how to prevent it in the future. This personalized feedback loop is incredibly effective. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other helpful deals. Consistent effort and smart practice will lead to success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.